It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Friday the 13th. Still wet today, improving weather for the weekend. Big picture this morning, a moist air mass in place. Got a trough west of the state, also a surface low forming west of the state. And that means more rain for the great state of Alabama today. But the good news, the weekend will be trending drier. Peek at the radar at 5 o'clock this morning. Some pretty good rain falling, especially on the eastern side of the state. We'll see periods of rain today and tonight. Birmingham at 60. These numbers aren't going to change a lot today. And again, we have cold air damming. Notice Atlanta's cooler at 54. That cooler air will be slipping in from the east. Many communities east of Birmingham, like Anniston and Gadsden, will probably hold in the 50s all day today. 60s are likely west of Birmingham. And noticeably warmer back in Mississippi, where the air is more unstable. Jackson sitting at 67, and down to the South Mobile at 67, where there could be some severe storms possibly. It's not a big threat. It's a marginal risk, as defined by the guys at SPC. Much of Mississippi and extreme southwest Alabama. That includes Gulf Shores and Mobile. Also west of the state, flash flood watches in effect, especially for areas near the Mississippi River. And again, some of the counties up in the western Tennessee Valley of far north Alabama under an aerial flood watch for today. Additional rains of 1/2 to 1 inch. Heavier totals north of the state. This is the rain through Wednesday morning of next week. Here's the good old GFS, the 06C run, valid at 1 o'clock today, troughing west of the state, but the heights are above average over much of the continent. You can see a surface low around the Arklatex region, 1,014 millibars. Wedge moving in from the east, just cloudy and wet today. And the good news, that cooler air should keep us out of severe weather trouble. Tomorrow we'll maintain the chance of a few lingering showers early in the day, but I get the idea much of the day will be dry. The sun might begin to break out tomorrow afternoon as the dry air moves in with highs in the low, maybe mid-70s if the sun can pop out. Sunday, look at that, no rain. Again, highs up in the 70s. That'll be a delightful day. Go to next week, nice and quiet. Monday will be a sunny day. Boy, the GFS is trending warmer. The GFS is printing a high of 78. Somebody might be pushing 80 on Monday. That'll be a spring fever kind of day. Tuesday, we're dry. Low 70s. A little cooler air slipping in here on Wednesday. The high dropping back in the 60s. And this run suggesting clouds will increase, and by golly, there just might be some rain, especially over West Alabama Wednesday, with a surface low forming well to the west over Oklahoma. Thursday, we're in a moist air mass, the chance of some light rain, not a big event. And a week from today, Friday the 20th, 588 ridge over the Gulf. We got a pretty good trough well to the north. This run not as cool as other runs. We've seen some runs pushing a pretty strong cold front down in here. This run kind of hangs the front up north of the state. This is suggesting Friday could be kind of a cloudy day, maybe a touch of light rain, but not a big event. Into the forecast, Sunday the 23rd, there's a pretty decent-looking trough over the northeast United States, and the cold front is bisecting the state with a chance of rain mainly over the southern counties. Temperatures coming off the ensembles, not bad. No evidence of any freeze, but again, I fully expect one more, at least one more. Even though this run is not showing it, it's just too early to plant if you got the itch to do that. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock today. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.